this stuff that's going on. This little light's going to start. It's going to start flashing at you.
Okay. And that's when you get that, right?
Yep. Or release anymore. As soon as you go, make your set, you come back to the lap, come over here and push down on that, and that releases it.
Sure.
Good answer.
All right. There we go. All right, Jack, here we go to the next one.
Ready to go.
Two toots on the whistle. Get your bell on. Not your one. Nope. Down again.
I'm going to do this first, right?
Yeah, third and left. Now.
Okay.
Now, nice and slow. Slow down there. Watch out. All right, now, what helps with this one? How about, we're going to do 2 longs.
Is it fun?
We did.
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess we did fine. We got her out of her comfort zone.
That's right.
Taught her how to run low push.
Now we need to get her to skydive.
No.
Good job, man.
I thought the same thing the first time I ever went zip lining.
Oh, yeah.
Why would it?
Indiana Railroad is hiring, Judy, for engineers and conductors.
Back off 1 notch on the throttle. nose because there's vents. Let's go ahead and make a set on the drink rig. Turn your bell on. Take another little set on the drink right now. Pull it right. A little bit more. Come on. Sound about even with that tone pull to the parking lot on it, right outside that camera.
Good job, Judy.
Wonderful.
How was it?
That's fun.
Okay. Would you do it again?
I'd do it again.
Okay, but not today.